In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely remove and uninstall Composer from your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, you need to go to your Windows search option. You need to write over here setting. Here you can see settings. So you need to click on this. After opening the setting, you need to go to the apps, and in the apps, here you can see install apps. So you need to click here, and right now you need to search for Composer, and here you can see Composer PHP dependency manager. So you need to click on this three dot, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall again, and then here are you sure to remove Composer and all of its components? We are going to say here yes, and here we need to select both local and roaming. So once you select this, select all, it will completely remove every hidden files of Composer from your system. So we are going to click here OK, and there you can see uninstalling Composer, and it's done. So we can now just click here OK, and that's all. So this is how you can uninstall Composer from Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.